Hi, the topic is farmland. Harmony Utsav farmland. Harmony Utsav farmland is located in Kengeri village, Sonnenahalli Grama Panchayat limits, Sompura Hubli, Nelamangala Taluk. So, Utsav farmland is approved by Panchayat. Yes, it's a Panchayat approved farmland. Let's talk about connectivity. Utsav farmland is 1 kilometers from Dabaspeti circle. Utsav farmland is 100 meters from Shivaganga Hill Road. Utsav farmland is 1 kilometers from Chennai Express Highway. Utsav farmland is 20 minutes drive from Tumkur. Utsav farmland is 12 minutes drive from Nelamangala town. So, Utsav farmland is approved by Panchayat. It's a Panchayat approved project, farmland. Price is 1499 rupees per square feet. Yes, you heard it right. The price per square feet is 1499 rupees per square feet. Coming to the dimensions, 2580 square feet, which will work out to 60 into 43. 5760 square feet, which will work out to 96 into 60. Let's talk about amenities. You'll get 10 acres resort, Ayurvedic spa, 30 bed dormitory, 20 acres of vast AIKYA International School. To know more about Utsav farmland, you can call us on 9980 12790. Thanks.